Hello, welcome to my channel. Donald Trump, he is very famous man at the moment and he has special look. Mr. Trump, if you are looking at this video, I really like your look and orange man make me excited. I'm gonna show you today how to become the perfect orange man. I'm not sure what makeup Mr. Trump uses or if he uses fake tanning cream. So, to get the right look, today I will use orange corrector from Elle. Not say anything, white man. Today, brown Asian lady in control. Take off your glasses. Good guy. The way to do it is use the applicator and then blend with your sponge. Spray. Close your eye. Use my spray. Move this one now, like this. Okay, good, perfect, orange man. Okay, jangan deh. Look up. Yeah, up, yeah. Ear, this way. And to have white ear. Ooh, make me excited to watch. Okay, put your tie on. Yeah, right tie like Mr. Trump. For a real Trump look, you have to leave the eyes and the ears white. The perfect orange look does be smile. And then, why don't you try make your man look orange? Add your video to hashtag Trump Makeup.